Good morning. We're headed over to Burroughs Park to do a drone meetup.
It's hot, gross.
Hot, sticky, and poopy.
I don't want to be outside today.
You guys don't have to come if you don't want to.
Coming, we're just going to cut it a little short. There's that armadillo.
Yeah, that's what all the vultures were around.
Wait, they have tacos here?
You're not getting tacos.
Morning,
How's it going? Can I get 2 dozen donut holes
Yes,
and
sir.
Sausage and cheese kolache.
Bye.
and a sausage and cheese kolache? So we got here late to a donut place and there's nothing really left, so this is gonna have to hold us over for lunch. Looking for tea. Straight up tea. There we go. Straight up tea. How you doing?
Hi. What for today?
I'm going to this park down here, and we're flying drones. So we're gonna do some filming.
All right. Also, I love to take a movie.
Yeah.
So yeah, I have so many
Oh yeah.
cassette and sometimes movie film as well.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Exactly.
You know.
Thank you very much. You have a great day. My car is disgusting right now. Okay, we're here, so we're gonna go fly the drone, and hopefully everybody get in a good mood. This morning sort of started out a little rocky. Everybody was just sort of grumpy this morning. I think everybody needed breakfast or something, so everybody seems so much better now that we've had some donuts. This is like the second praying mantis we've seen in a week, which is really weird. It's been years since I've seen one before that.
She's dancing. Look at her.
She's dancing, dancing. She's gonna pick it up. Whoa!
Shit, that was a fast one. Oh!
It's gonna jump on you, Scott.
Oh! Ah, it's so fast.
That one is not wanting to be held.
Because it's wild. It's a wild praying mantis. It's
get
gonna
it?
jump, it's gonna jump.
Don't make it jump on me, Sean. I'll scream.
Whoa. I don't want it on my face. He's looking straight at me. Don't jump on my face. Get closer to the tree if you want to jump. Watch him. He'll jump on the tree.
Oh, there he went. Ugh, it's too hot.
It's ridiculously hot still for October. And we are gonna go get some lunch.
We get whiny in the heat. So.
Turn it on. Just turn on the car.
lights on, sweetie.
Look at this, we got a car full of complainers right now. Yeah.
Go home.
I thought you wanted to eat.
Go home. Not hungry at all.
You can watch us eat then.
Just wanna go home.
Well, we're gonna go somewhere where hopefully there's air conditioning and not a long wait because it's already 1:30.
Just go home and cook.
I'm not cooking
Why?
because I don't want to.
Why?
Because I don't feel good. Because it's hot.
When they get hungry, they're grumpy. Right there. So we're trying this place called Mel's Cafe. It's got like 5 stars online and it's in the middle of nowhere. So hopefully it's pretty good.
Chicken strip, grilled chicken.
This place is so packed and the menu looks delicious, and I went inside to use the facilities and it is packed. The wait's about 20 minutes, but it looks pretty good. So Mel's Country Cafe out in the middle of nowhere. Right next door to the restaurant is a Basset Hound Rescue. We're gonna check that out. Skylar's all excited.
I'm gonna go pick the puppies.
I was 5 months.
She's so soft. You
And I
should
was like,
feel
the
her.
race is going to be the next thing. And so I pick up our dogs in the ambulance,
Glaucoma.
drive them back,
Yeah, I can't
drop them
take
off
it.
at my office
She's
at our
soft.
station,
so
and
trippy.
then went to the Pentagon. I mean, I only spent like 10
Yeah,
minutes.
she's super
because I
soft.
Yeah, they wash her
like
with baby shampoo.
Safe inside of another safe, 2 floors in the back.
It's warmish.
There's nowhere to wait inside.
No, we're trying to stand.
There's nowhere, you can't go inside to wait. It's packed in there too. I couldn't decide between the burger and the chicken fried chicken, but I haven't had chicken fried chicken since one cheese burned down, so I went with the chicken fried chicken. Food looks pretty darn good.
Could I just get a side of ranch, please? This is a perfect Monte Cristo. Perfect looking so far. It's like fully deep fried.
What do you think of this place?
It's good.
That was noisy. Ugh, I just got dripped on with water. It was hot water too, so it felt really gross. Taking some stuff over to the new house. Driving this, the traffic in Houston has gotten so bad over the last 5 years. I'm near the Woodlands Mall. The Woodlands Amphitheater is right there. I'm gonna take the drone up and see what I can see, and hopefully nobody will say anything to me. Well, this sucks. The camera, one of the wires is freaking shorted out in the camera, and what's the point of me flying it over this thing if I can't film it for you guys? So, I guess I'm gonna spend the rest of the afternoon calling Horizon again. I cannot wait for the DJI Mavic to be released so I can get rid of this thing and get a new one. This Horizon's been such a headache. I'm exhausted. Packing things. We're getting this much closer to moving. We thought we were going to be moving today and tomorrow, but it's just, we're moving some things, but the final move is going to be later in the week. It's really stressful, and it's sort of starting to eat us up, so we need to get this stuff packed and move so we can settle in and get back to normal day-to-day stuff. I'm putting off drawing for tattoos and doing Halloween makeup, and even these videos, I've been putting them off. I don't have the time. We're packing, everything's becoming chaotic. I'm sure everyone who's ever moved understands exactly what I'm talking about. It's not fun. So yeah, I know this is a little low energy right now, but I'm tired. So I'm just tired.